What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about Asana since they filed their S-1 IPO, and their goal is to get the world's team to work together. Asana was co-founded 12 years ago by former Facebook co-founder Dustin Moskovitz and former Facebook employee Justin Rosenstein. Before we get started, don't forget to like or share this video. So let's take a look at their product. Asana has a few different products. As you can see your own tasks. You can see it through calendar view when it's due date. You can see it through a timeline. You can also organize your team's work by workload, a portfolio view, or a board view. Asana also lets you integrate with other services as Google Docs, Dropbox, and services like that. Asana also has outbound integrations like Slack notifications. Asana provides a tier price system where users can pay or teams can pay, and they also have a business and enterprise pricing. Asana competes in a fragmented market, and competitors include Monday.com, Smartsheet, and Jira by Atlassian. It has around 120% net retention dollar, and when compared to Smartsheet, when Smartsheet went IPO, it spends more in R&D, around 63% of its revenue in R&D. Asana also has better sales efficiency number. Their magic number is 25% better than Smartsheet, so that means that it takes one less quarter for Asana to close down their clients. And what that means is that they can grow faster. Asana gross margin is a little bit higher than Smartsheet at around 85%. Due to the fact that they have such high net retention dollar, Asana is spending a lot of money in sales, and that's why they're not profitable right now. The revenue is around $140 million, and Asana spends around $100 million in sales and $89 million in R&D. Asana's product is a little bit better than competitors because they spend more resources into R&D. Looking at its market, Asana's EV over NTM will be around 15 to 20 times. That means that they can be valued from $4 billion to $6 billion when they go IPO. They're going IPO through direct listing, so they're not giving any money to underwriters. And here you can see Asana's numbers compared to its industry standards. Asana is competing in a big but fragmented market, and they are set to have a smooth IPO. If you have any questions, leave down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.